we will be talking about how do we stop diseases or how do we defend against diseases. So first of all, we have the eye. First of all, we have the eyes. The eyes have tears which contain a chemical substance that kills some diseases. Then you have something in the nose that's called mucus, and it traps germs from like entering the body or anything like that. Then we have the skin, which acts as barriers so the germs don't get into the body. Then we have the acid in the stomach, which kills some germs.
When puberty starts at 13 years old and 11 years old, for girls will be 11 years old and grow 2 centimeters in a year, and for boys will start at 13 years old. And there are some hormones that will be in puberty, 11 and 13, they're going to be skin get oily, more hair will grow, and girls will be hit with a wider, and boys children will get like that, deeper, yes.